Many of us may wonder whether drinking coconut water on a daily basis is safe during pregnancy. It is absolutely safe and is good for both the mother and the child. It contains moderate amount of sugar, protein and sodium. Thus helps in maintaining the daily levels of fluids and electrolytes required by the body. In this video, let's see the benefits of drinking coconut water during pregnancy. Drinking coconut water during pregnancy increases the mother's immunity levels, and it is also rich in vital vitamins and antioxidants. During pregnancy, constipation is one of the annoying problems, but drinking coconut water may help relieve constipation due to its high fiber content. It is also considered as a natural diuretic which balances the uric acid levels in the body. It helps to flush out toxins and clear out any urinary tract infections, which is also a common problem during pregnancy. Coconut water has high amount of magnesium, potassium and other minerals, which helps in the increased output of urine, which is vital during pregnancy. This reduces the risk of kidney stone formation. It also provides the necessary electrolytes to prevent dehydration that is caused during morning sickness in the pregnant women. Coconut water contains potassium and phosphorus, which helps enhance energy levels. Coconut water is low in cholesterol, which helps in eradicating the bad cholesterol and by preventing accumulation of fat in the body. It is also a very good replacement for sugary drinks. Heartburn is a very common thing during pregnancy, which can also be regulated by drinking coconut water. Coconut water has low sugar content, which is excellent for pregnant mothers because they have a high chance of getting gestational diabetes. Coconut water hydrates the body, which helps to increase the elasticity of the skin, thus helps in reducing stretch marks that are caused during pregnancy.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.